given numerical on the basis of Collard's law of independent migration of ions, means their application. In last lecture, we have solved the same type of numerical. That is, here we are going to start the numerical to calculate the molar conductivities at zero concentration for CaCl2 and Na2SO4. म्हणजेच तुम्हाला इथे कॅल्शियम क्लोराइड आणि सोडियम सल्फेट या दोन सोल्युशनच्या झिरो कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन साठी मोलर कंडक्टिव्हिटीज कॅल्क्युलेट करायच्या आहेत फ्रॉम गिवन डाटा. Means here given data, here already we given that the molar conductivities of Ca2 plus, Cl minus, Na plus, SO4 minus. It is very easy to solve. That is molar conductivity at zero concentration for CaCl2. The molar conductivity of CaCl2 on dissociation gives cation and anion. Conductivity is small lambda for cation and anion. Here Ca2 plus Cl2 two times means 2 into small lambda at zero concentration Cl minus. CaCl2 get dissociated into Ca2 plus and plus twice Cl minus. Twice Cl minus means 2 into lambda naught Cl minus. These values are already given. Ca2 plus means 104 and plus 2 into Cl minus also given. Molar conductivity of Cl minus 76.4. After the calculation of this, we get the values 256.8. 256.8. Unit is same, per ohm, centimeter square and per mole. This is very simple calculation. Then second number, molar conductivity of Na2SO3. Molar conductivity at zero concentration Na2SO4. On dissociation it gives small lambda at zero twice Na. Twice means 2 into. Here 2 into lambda naught Na plus dissociation of 2 Na plus and SO4 2 minus plus lambda naught SO4 2 minus, and molar conductivities of these ions are already given. Lambda naught Na2SO4 is equal to 2 into Na plus 50.1 plus molar conductivity of SO4 2 minus 159.6 to calculate, and we get the answer molar conductivity of sodium sulfate. Here we get the answer 259.8. Unit is similar, per ohm, centimeter square per mole. This is the numerical is based on the Collard's law. This topic is very important. Either statement will be asked in board exam, also the numerical on the basis of their application. First of all, statement, second is application, and third is numerical. These three topics are important. Then next point is molar conductivity and degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte. Next topic is molar conductivity and degree of dissociation. Molar conductivity and degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte. Weak electrolyte. The degree of dissociation is denoted by degree of dissociation alpha and molar conductivity denoted by lambda. Molar conductivity of weak electrolyte denoted by lambda C. C for concentration. This lambda C is the molar conductivity of weak electrolyte at concentration C. Means concentration C ला molar conductivity असेल lambda C and degree of dissociation here alpha. Find out the equation or formula for the relation between molar conductivity and degree of dissociation. And here already given that the alpha means degree of dissociation is equal to lambda C upon lambda 0. Means it is the ratio of molar conductivity at concentration C upon molar conductivity at concentration 0. This is the degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte. Then the measurement of conductivity. Measurement of conductivity. Measurement of conductivity with the help of conductivity cell. The conductivity of any electrolyte is not possible. That's why the resistance of the electrolyte can be measured, and with the help of Wheatstone bridge network, and if we get the resistance, and from resistance we can calculate the conductivity. That is, resistance is inversely proportional to the conductivity. Conductivity directly cannot be determined, so that here we can calculate the resistivity, and from resistivity we get the conductivity. Conductivity can be measured by Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge consists of conductivity cell. Here, first of all, we start the point conductivity cell. What is meant by conductivity cell? Conductivity cell consists of glass beaker having glass tube, and glass tube consists of two electrodes deep in given solution, that is called as electrolyte. The beaker containing solution called as electrolyte. Also insert the glass tube, and in glass tube immersed two types of electrode. Platinum electrodes and platinum electrodes connected to the positive and negative end of the battery called as cathode and anode. These are cathode and anodes. This is the construction of conductivity cell. With the help of this cell, we can calculate the resistivity of these electrolyte solutions with the help of electrodes, cathode and anode. Here the cell is dipped in the solution whose resistance to be measured. म्हणजे ज्या सोल्युशनचं तुम्हाला रेजिस्टन्स मेजर करायचं असेल ते सोल्युशन ह्या बीकर मध्ये घेणार आणि ते व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिजला जॉईंट करणार आणि त्याने रेजिस्टन्स मेजर करू शकतो. Here this is cell, also called as cell means electrolytic cell. Every cell has cell constant and cell constant having formula. What is meant by cell constant? Cell constant. Cell constant is important term. That is cell constant. Conductivity of electrolyte solution is given. Conductivity. How calculate the cell constant? Cell constant is calculated by conductivity. Here K for conductivity. Conductivity is equal to 1 upon R into L upon A. L upon A. In already we have learned about in previous lecture about the conductivity. The conductivity K is equal to 1 upon R into L upon A. Here A is ratio of separation. L is the length of two electrodes, A is the area of cross section of electrode, and L upon A means cell constant. Here cell constant is equal to L upon A and cell constant is denoted by B, also denoted as a name cell constant. Cell constant we get here value. Cell constant is equal to L upon A. L is the length between two electrode and A is the area of cross section of electrode. Then SI unit of cell constant is per meter. Here meter square get cancel. Meter inverse. Unit of cell constant is meter inverse. Then the next topic is determination of cell constant. For the measurement of conductivity, here calculate the cell constant of this cell, and cell constant can be determined with the help of Wheatstone network bridge. For example, this cell, how to calculate the cell constant of this cell? Here I draw the Wheatstone network. The unknown resistance can be calculated. This resistance is unknown and this resistance is calculated with the help of cell diagram. This Wheatstone network bridge consists of galvanometer denoted by D, AC across current, A, B, here also resistance, R, X, and here R solution, R resistance of solution, resistance of X, this is construction of Wheatstone network. With the help of this network, here we can calculate the resistance of unknown solution. या सोल्युशनचा रेजिस्टन्स मेजर करण्यासाठी आपण नेटवर्क याला कनेक्ट केलं. या नेटवर्कचा जो ही काही साइड आर्म आहे याचा जो रेजिस्टन्स आहे हा गिवन असेल Rx रेजिस्टन्स and this is the galvanometer D having head cone. With the help of head cone here check the sound and null point. If there is no any sound म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपण क्रॉस चेक करून याने जेव्हा इथे करंट कॅरी करणार नाही तो रेजिस्टन्स करंट ज्या ठिकाणी कॅरी होणार नाही त्याला रेजिस्टन्स म्हणणार आपण आणि करंट जर कॅरी होत असेल तर कंडक्टन्स असेल. मग ह्या गॅल्व्हनोमीटरने आपण इथे हा कंटिन्यू मूव्ह करून ज्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला इथे करंट कॅरी होणार नाही जिथे इन्सुलेटिंग पॉइंट असेल तिथे टच झाल्यानंतर जेव्हा करंट फ्लो 0 असेल तो तिथे स्टॉप करणार आणि स्टॉप केल्यानंतर याचे डिव्हिजन होणार AF आणि FB मीन्स रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ AF रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ AB असे चार रेजिस्टन्स असतील 1 2 3 आणि 4 हे तीन गिवन असतील. या तीन गिवन रेजिस्टन्स पासून आपण R सोल्युशन म्हणजे या सोल्युशनचा रेजिस्टन्स याने मेजर करू शकतो. दिस अकॉर्डिंग टू मेजरमेंट ऑफ कंडक्टिव्हिटी व्हीटस्टोन नेटवर्क the formula of according to Wheatstone bridge the formula of R solution म्हणजे जसं तुम्हाला रेजिस्टन्स काउंट करायचा असेल तो अपॉन R of AC याला आपण C कन्सिडर करूया. हा पॉइंट असेल नल पॉइंट असेल त्याचा C रेजिस्टन्स C पहिले R सोल्युशन असेल याला आपण A कन्सिडर करू याला B आणि याला C त्याच्या शेजारचा स्लॅब सिस्टमला डिवाइड करायचा हा R सोल्युशन असेल अपॉन AC असेल अपॉन R रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ AC इज इक्वल टू R X इथून परत स्टार्ट करणार हा R घेणार RAC सॉरी R सोल्युशन लगेच त्याला अपॉन RAC मग इकडनं स्टार्ट करणार RX अपॉन RBC RX अपॉन RBC हा जो फॉर्म्युला आहे तो असेल अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज आणि या फॉर्म्युल्याने हे तीन जे R आहेत ते गिवन आहे. या तीन R पासून आपण R सोल्युशनचा म्हणजे या सोल्युशनचा रेजिस्टन्स काउंट करू शकतो आणि या सोल्युशनच्या रेजिस्टन्स वरून आपण त्याचा रेसिप्रोकल घेऊन त्याची कंडक्टिव्हिटी काउंट करतो. अगदी सिंपल आहे. परत एकदा सांगते लक्ष द्या. ही जी सेल आहे ती कनेक्ट केलेली आहे व्हीटस्टोन नेटवर्क ब्रिजला आणि ज्या सोल्युशनचं तुम्हाला मेजरमेंट करायचे आहे रेजिस्टन्सची तो साइड R त्याला कनेक्ट केलेला आहे. मग याचा रेजिस्टन्स तुम्हाला इथे मिळेल R सोल्युशन आणि गॅल्व्हनोमीटर थ्रू तो इथे हेडपॉइंटनी चेक करणार. चेक करून तुम्हाला ज्या ठिकाणी करंट सप्लाय मिळणार नाही 0 करंट सप्लाय असेल तिथे तो स्टॉप करणार आणि स्टॉप केल्यानंतर त्याचे दोन डिव्हिजन होतील AC त्याला पॉइंटला नेम देणार C AC आणि BC आणि हा नॉन सोल्युशनचा असेल रेजिस्टन्स RX and according to Wheatstone bridge the formula is R solution upon RAC is equal to वरतून स्टार्ट करणार परत RX upon RBC म्हणजे रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ BC Rx upon resistance of BC means R means resistance of X solution given and resistance of BC means R solution upon RAC is equal to Rx upon RBC. From this data here we can calculate the resistance of solution. This solution. This is the formula here R solution is equal to Rx upon RBC. This quantity shift to this and multiplied RAC. This is the resistance of this solution. And with the help of resistance we can calculate the cell constant. This conductivity here cell constant is equal to K means conductivity and this solution is KCl. This solution is KCl. Conductivity of KCl into R solution. या ठिकाणी R सोल्युशन व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला जी मिळालेली आहे त्या R पासून तुम्ही सेल कॉन्स्टंट काढू शकता. सेल कॉन्स्टंट इज इक्वल टू K which is conductivity for KCl into R solution. This is the cell constant. The conductivity of KCl solution is known. इथे conductivity KCl solution ची दिलेली असेल त्या त्यावरून आपण आर सोल्युशन इथे भेटलेला आहे आपल्याला, याच्यावरून आपण सेल कॉन्स्टंट त्याचा काढू शकतो. मी सेल कॉन्स्टंट इज इक्वल टू कंडक्टिव्हिटी ऑफ दिस सोल्युशन इनटू रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ दिस सोल्युशन, means conductivity into resistivity is known as cell constant of this solution.